Using keyboard shortcuts to create new Outlook items can be quite useful. It stops you from having to navigate to the particular module in order to create a new item. For example, if I want to create a new mail, I go Control, Shift, and the Shift will tell Outlook I want to create something new, and then the first letter of what you want. So Control, Shift, and M will create a new message. To close it, just push the Escape key in the top left-hand corner of your keyboard. To create a new appointment, Control, Shift, and A for appointment. Control, Shift, and C will create a new contact. Now there's always one that doesn't follow the rule, and in this case it's a task. To create a new task, we don't use the first letter, we use the last letter. So Control, Shift, and K will create a new task. And to create a new note, we're going to go Control, Shift, and N.